Good morning, friends. For developing in the field of manufacturing to transportation and from heat to agriculture, we are disturbing our ecology system. This is happening for the last 2 centuries. Consequently, we are facing many problems of pollution on our planet. Friends, our planet is in danger. Climate change and global warming are dramatically urgent and serious problems that can lead to calamitous consequences. We do not need to wait for governments alone to find solutions to these terrible problems. Each individual can play an important part by simply adopting a more responsible lifestyle, beginning with some little everyday do's and don'ts. It's the only reasonable way to save our planet before it is too late. There are results, reasons, and remedies to save our planet. It is presented in this unit. Let's study and together we try to save the earth. When we mishandling our environment, there would be happen external heat, external rain, flood, tsunami, cyclone. Because of this climate change and global warming, ice is melting from the peak of mountains. Sea level is increasing. Cyclone may occur also. What happened then? Global warming is written into drought and flood. There are lots of reasons such as emissions of CO2 and carbon footprints in factories, industries, transportation, nuclear energy, petrol and diesel vehicles, uses of plastics, etc. We cannot reduce it as a zero level, but with our efforts, we reduce them as a minimum level. Let's save the environment together. We such make a few change in our day-to-day life and let's use green energy. For development, we need electricity or energy. In our day-to-day use, we should use natural resources for energy generation. We should use solar panels and windmills for electricity. We should try green sources of energy. We should use solar rooftops on every houses. We should use solar heater and lanterns in our home also. We should use wind turbines at proper places. We should use hydroelectric project at several places. Particularly to save electricity, we prefer solar energy. Don't forget to turn off switch, prefer LED bulbs, use Energy Star rated products, use only power saving devices and appliances in our home, remove plugs from sockets, etc. Use electric vehicles which create zero emission. Prefer walking, cycling, carpooling, and public transport to save our environment. Please use public transport to save paper, minimum use of it. Always prefer two-sided printing or use both sides of paper. Prefer online reading also. Don't throw printing paper. It also contains carbon footprint. Buy intelligently. Don't create any waste. reduce or avoid plastic usage. Household wet waste should be composed separately and use it in pots for plants. Plant trees. Cultivate biofuel crops in barren land also. Forests should be protected and conserved to control carbon. Please save water for our future life. Apply rooftop rainwater harvesting at our own home. There are 6 R to save our environment: repair, reclaim, restore, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Don't throw any old devices or machines, but it should be repaired, reclaimed, and restored them and use it again and again. Thank you very much.